Right, so it says graph the following. To isolate this, so it says graph the following. To isolate this, we have a vertical stretch. So vertical stretch. We have a horizontal shift of -5, vertical shift of 7, and that's the shape. So move it over, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then normally the graph look like that, but there's a stretch. So this gets pulled, that gets pulled. So it looks a little like it's increasing quicker. And then for absolute value, it's going to go upside down because of the negative. We have a vertical compression. We have a horizontal shift of -5 and a vertical shift of -1. So it's a vertical compression. So moving it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 1. Now normally right, there's your absolute value, but it's compressed, so it's getting pushed. So if it's getting pushed, it's going to look like, in this instance, that it's a little wider. For the following, apply the transformations. So I'll just kind of draw on a few of them, so I'll make this one red. So negative, so it's going to reflect -2. And then this we have to consider it our y. So I'm like multiplying my y by -2. So this is still -2, 0. But now this gets multiplied by -2, so that becomes -8. This is still 2, 0. And then 4, -2, multiply that by -2, you get +4. Let's look at this one. So reflection and then a horizontal shift of 2. So multiply all the y's by a negative, 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 and then horizontal shift to +2. So this one becomes 2, 0. This one gets flipped, so it's -4, but then moves over 2. This one just shifts over 2. And then this one shifts over 2, so it becomes 6, and then becomes +4. Oh wait, there's no, it's just -2, sorry. My brain was stuck on the +2. This is multiply the y by 2. This is a vertical shift of -3. So graph the following. These are the circles. So remember, we have to look for the horizontal shift and the vertical shift, and then the radius. So the horizontal shift is 3. The vertical shift is -4. Square root that. The radius is 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then there's the radius, 4 spaces. We try and draw it as circular as possible. And then the domain is from here to here, and the range is from here to here. Let's try another one. My horizontal shift is -1, my vertical shift is 0, and my radius, take the square root of that, is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's a very good looking circle, if I do say so myself. Domain from here to here, my range from here to here. We'll do one more. Horizontal shift -3, vertical shift 2. My radius is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that circle's not nearly as good.